afternoon, sir.
Hey, my hat-trick boy. How you dey?
Coach, my blood dey hot oh. I want to start match now. I no wan dey bench. My leg dey scratch me to score goals.
Who you want make I bench now?
Coach, I no know. My own be say I want to start match. And I wan start against Man City.
Which kind wahala be this one? Okay, you know wetin? Just tell me who you want bench. Make I bench am.
Salah.
Ta! Come on for here. So because you manage score hat-trick, you think say you fit come inside here dey give me ultimatum? You smoke weed?
But coach, that guy is selfish oh. He now score 7 goals for Premier League this season. And he never even assist anybody. Even Mane dey quick complain about the guy.
Wetin concern me concern assist. Na assist dey win game. If he like making selfish pass devil, as far as him dey score, I no get wahala.
Oga Mourinho Ansari, una welcome.
My boy.
My guy, how you there?
We thank God though. Oga Mourinho, you watch the Man U game?
Yes, nah.
Man U lose 2-1. Wetin you think say happen?
It be like say them don't lose their mojo.
Come out for here. Lose waiting. Now saw their mojo there, Joe. Off and on like Nepa. All they purposely lose that match.
Sorry, allow me make I talk. No be you them ask question.
But why I go allow you talk when the nonsense they come out from your mouth?
Now your mouth nonsense they come out from. How you go talk say man you purposely lose match?
Nah. All I know say no fit carry this Champion League. Now I make that guy go maliciously lose against that kind team. Now Europa that guy won't go.
Why then come win PSG and Leipzig? Oh boy, this your logic no follow.
Say mama talk or where you say logic for football?
Oga Sari, e be like say Chelsea defensive problem don finally go. Wetin you get to talk about am?
No carry Chelsea matter come this place. I know they like team wey selfish.
Wetin you mean?
How you go come play match? Carry padlock lock pause. I know they like that kind thing. At least make them open pause. Make we not say goal fit enter. No be say person go come the watch match when na only one post goal fit enter. I beg you, make them carry my guy Arinza Balaga or that other Carabao guy put for pause.
Na Caballero,
Calibretto, Carabao have been all of them. Na the same thing.
Oga Mourinho, Man City and Liverpool get match on Sunday. Who you think say go carry the 3 points?
This one na question so. Liverpool go flog nonsense come out Man City body na.
Now why are they very sure say you no get IQ na?
Wetin this one come mean?
Why you go talk say Liverpool go flog Man City? Gabriel Jesus don't come back or?
If them like, make them carry Angel Gabriel come play the match. Liverpool and that Jota guy go mend them.
Leave Jota jaw. Now just initial gragra that guy that do. Make him jam big club. We go see whether him both fit play short.
Atalanta no be big club. Arsenal wey you score no be big club. I swear, sorry. I no sure say your IQ reach 0 sef.
At least I get IQ. You not get nothing.
Your papa. If this video make you laugh,
and you know say your mama born you well.
And you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley. I been a woman bless one place.
See, sorry. It don't do you, oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.